Additional Chief Engineer of Public Works Department, PWD, Jabungbam Uttam, has maintained that a target has been set to complete the ongoing rigid pavement project by 2027. Additional Chief Engineer Jabungbam Uttam was speaking during Meet the Press program, which was organized by DIPR at its office in Nithya to take today. Speaking in the program, CH Uttam maintained that the rigid pavement project is taken up under Manipur Urban Road, Drainage and Asset Management Improvement Project and through funding from Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. The project covers a greater Imphal area and 77 villages in Imphal East and Imphal West districts on the 16 assembly constituencies. The project is worth 3,647 rupees with the aim to improve a road condition in the state, which is often exposed to frequent deterioration due to rain. While explaining about the significance of the rigid pavement project, Additional Chief Engineer Jabungbam Uttam said the project is set to be completed by 2027.
Flood lakpagi matungda khogi infrastructure da sokhiba si myam je mong sengkat sagat tawnabagi damakta saski ngokthada thabak mari imsu sanction torki magi costing around 41.16 crore tai masali da salam thong yawi kuyat thong yawi Imphal Tamai road yawi strengthening of Bishnupur Nungba road yawi asagi salam thongi portion ji almost 90% lore kuyat thong is complete loisan khre Imphal Tamai road si around 30% progress chalai Bishnupur Nungba tabak loisan khre aduna ani loi khre ani ma progress cha lairi aduga salam thong is almost loi do rahe tare 2025-26 ta same funding asagi saski ki makada akoina bridge mari mane sorok mapan mane building ta tu mane around 419.3 crore ta gi senthong ki makada sigi thabak man pakat chei